What is up, Pyros, man? I hope everybody's doing well. I thought I would start unboxing some of the new stuff that I got from my wholesale order. And the first one I want to tackle is this Bold City. Man, if you guys love blue, this is the cake to get. I'm also going to start unboxing my American Creed. I've shot some of these before, so I'm going to try to preview both of those. So let's get into these cakes. So here's Bold City. It's packed 4 to 1. And American Creed should be the same. So let's take a look at that. And it does have this little cardboard piece on the top, which I love for gluing up cakes for your 4th. This is awesome. So here is American Creed. Man, these are beautiful cakes. So let's cut into these and take a look inside. So welcome to Bold City from SFX. 30 shots, angled cake, and let's look at the performance. And it's got a lot of bursts of 5 shots, angled. And if you love blue in your show, this is the cake to get. It does have some pretty cool copper colored mines. That's pretty neat. So let's take a look at that. So the other cake I would highly recommend if you want to put some red, white, and blue on your show, July 4th show, is this American Creed from SFX, 12 shots, and there's 3 banks of 4. So 4 shots of red, white, and blue, and it's got some pretty cool lace. It's red lace mines followed by white strobe. And then again, red lace mines. So I've got a few images from last year. Let's take a look at that. And the performance is here, but let's take a look at the video from last year.